Uniparty Blues. There's a shadow in the Capitol, a whisper in the halls. A secret deal is brewing behind those marble walls. They say they fight each other, red versus the blue. But when it comes to power, they're working right on through. It's the Uniparty, baby, dancing in the dark, printing money, taking souls, leaving their mark. Oh, the Uniparty, honey, stealing all our dreams, tightening their grip on this American dream. We got senators and lobbyists spinning tails so fine. Shake your hand, pat your back, but they're all just killing time. K-Street kings and policy wonks, knowing all the moves. They got the dance floor covered while we're stuck in their grooves. It's the Uniparty, baby, playing us for fools, pulling strings behind the scenes, breaking all the rules. Oh, the Uniparty, darling, watch them as they glide. They're smiling on the outside, but they're hollowed out inside. Deep in the shadows, in the corridors of power, they make their deals every day, every hour. With their money and their influence, they're riding so high, while the rest of us, we're left asking why, oh why. We got dreams of freedom, we got hopes of change, but every time we turn around, it's just the same old game. Left and right don't matter when it's DC versus you. They're wearing different colors, but their hearts beat true to blue. It's the Uniparty, baby, caught us in their snare, building up their empire.